Every day begins with a purpose, a challenge, a solution. Thousands of professionals worldwide rely on our sewer and drain cleaning machines. Because when the job demands power, precision and performance, they turn to Rioned. Since 1956, we have set the standard in drain machine technology, with attention to detail, with innovation that works, smart, efficient, built to last. Every machine is a team effort, designed and built by skilled professionals, people with passion, people with pride, generations of engineers, designers and technicians, proud of what they create, proud of what they contribute. To each other, to the customer, to the future, we continue to lead the way. Testing, refining, perfecting. We don't just build machines, we build trust by delivering solutions that are stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. Craftsmanship is our signature. Reliability, our promise. Rioned, keeping your business flowing.